Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about extended quantifiers. Now we already discussed the normal quantifiers in the previous video, so I'm not going to explain them again. So this is the existential, this is the one we will be using in this video. You can also do this with a universal, but that's not something I'm going to discuss. This is simpler. So we're going to discuss at least, at most, exactly. So let's just get straight into it. At least, that's just the existential, at least one. So existential x, b, x, that's whatever, that's at least one of b. So yeah, and then if you want to go further than that one, you go at least two, for example. That is existential x, existential y, and then bx conjunction by conjunction x is not y. So you basically you take two different existentials, and then you put in the formula that the first existential, the first variable, is not the second one. So x is not y. Now at most is just the reverse of this. So it's not at least two, but it is negation at least two. So not at least two. So it's less than two. So it is at most one in this case. It's less than two, meaning it's at most one. So yeah, that's at most. And then exactly is just a combination of at least and at most. Because if something is at least one and at most one, then it's just one. Yeah. So so you basically just take the formula for at least one and the formula for at most one, and you put a conjunction between them. And sorry. And yeah, that is how you get exactly at most and at least. That was rather simple, right? Yeah.